Trying to choose between RiseGuide and MasterClass? Here's the quick breakdown so you can pick the one that actually fits how you like to learn. If you're someone who learns by doing, RiseGuide is probably the better pick. It's basically like a mental gym. You're doing daily 5 to 15-minute drills focused on communication, memory, focus, and charisma. Think quizzes, speech practice, flashcards, and short exercises that build real-world skills over time. MasterClass is almost the opposite. It's more about sitting back and learning from world-famous experts like Gordon Ramsay, Serena Williams, or Samuel L. Jackson. The production quality is incredible. It feels like Netflix for learning, but it's definitely more passive. You're watching 30 to 60-minute lessons for inspiration and big-picture insights. Another big difference: RiseGuide is mobile-first and built around daily habit building, with structured pathways that keep you consistent. MasterClass works across TV, desktop, and mobile, and it's better if you want to casually explore topics like cooking, writing, filmmaking, or leadership. So here's the bottom line. Choose RiseGuide if you want active skill building and daily progress. Choose MasterClass if you want premium inspiration from legendary experts. It really comes down to this: do you want to train, or just watch and learn?